Every time you buy a product, whether it's a smartphone, a pair of shoes, or even your groceries, you're interacting with a complex network that brings that item from its origin to you. This network is called the supply chain. Simply put, a supply chain is the series of steps involved in getting a product from the raw materials all the way to the hands of the customer. It involves suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, distribution centers, and finally retailers. The journey of a product through the supply chain has several key stages. 1. Sourcing raw materials. It starts with raw materials. These materials, like metals for electronics or cotton for clothing, are sourced from suppliers. 2. Manufacturing. Next, these raw materials are sent to manufacturers, where they're transformed into the products we use every day. Distribution. Once produced, the items are shipped to distribution centers. These centers act as hubs where products are stored before being sent to retailers. 4. Retailers. The products finally reach retailers, whether in physical stores or online, where they're available for purchase. 5. Customers. And of course, the last stage is you, the customer, who buys and uses the product. An essential part of the supply chain is logistics. This involves transportation and warehousing. Goods often travel long distances, sometimes across the globe, to reach distribution centers and stores. Managing a supply chain efficiently is critical for businesses. Supply chain management helps companies minimize costs, meet customer demands, and respond to market changes. This includes balancing inventory levels, optimizing transport routes, and ensuring that production meets demand. Today, technology is transforming supply chains. Tools like RFID tracking, automation, and AI-based forecasting help companies track products in real time, improve efficiency, and predict demand more accurately. Let's look at an example. Consider the smartphone in your hand. The materials that make up its components, like glass, metals, and silicon, are sourced from all over the world. These are sent to factories where the phone is assembled. After production, it's shipped to warehouses, then to retailers where you finally buy it. Every step along the way is part of the supply chain. So next time you order a product online or pick something up at the store, remember the vast network that worked together to get that product to you. That's the power of the supply chain, keeping the world connected and products moving. To learn more about the world of supply chains and how businesses optimize them, subscribe to our channel or visit our website. Stay tuned for more insights.